Hi guys, bought this well, probably last year now. The intention is to put an electric or a couple of electric motors in it with propellers so we can stick it out on the lake and drive it around. That's a radio controlled duck. I'm not sure how well it'll go. I don't know how stable it will be. I might put a keel on it just to make sure it doesn't tip over too easily. There's no weight in there. I thought when I looked at it that was probably a weighted lump to hold it down, but it isn't. Anyway, what we're going to do today is see if we can carve it. I'm going to heat this knife up. This is an old one. It's not Nanny's best carving knife. And see if we can come around here somewhere and along here. Yeah, probably right the way around. See if we can just get the top off. It's not actually identical this side to that side, so I can't just go all the way through, or can I? I'd have to get the whole knife hot if I was going to go all the way through, and probably end up cutting through his head and my hand at the same time. So I'll go this way. It's going to be smelly. I'll put my fan on over the hob here, and I'm also going to open a door to let the fumes go out, because burning plastic is not a good idea. Probably set our fire alarm off too. Can you see it if it's all the way over there? So just the camera angle a bit. Right, I've never done this before, so we will find out. I'll probably speed the video up. Fast forward. So there we go. That's our duck. That's as far as I'm going to go today. Because the next thing I need to do is figure out some way of actually putting the top back on. So we've got plenty of room in there for a couple of electric motors, receiver, battery, although we don't want it to sink too far. I'll probably need to put some foam in there just to make sure it doesn't sink even if it tips over, and like I say, I'll probably put some sort of keel on it to discourage it from tipping over. But we'll do that another day. I just wanted to get that done because it's quite peaceful in the house at the moment. It's raining outside, so we're not out doing anything else. So I thought I'd get this done. Oh, I've just noticed it's got a hole in its bottom. Filled with a bit of hot glue in there. I didn't notice that before. Well, that'll be part of the moulding process. Anyway, I'll have propellers coming out down here somewhere, I think. Yeah. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.